Ask me anything about LinkedIn video. What's up? Am I using a streaming service to do this live? Yes, I am. I am using StreamYard, the number one streaming service that I have found works best with LinkedIn Live. I'd love to know how you niche down when it comes to video content creation. I do believe that you can create three different kinds of videos, and the different types of videos are going to kind of determine how further niche down that you go. So, for example, if you are doing educational how-to tips and tricks and hacks and that style of video, I would not niche down too much. I would make that a little bit more broad because the goal of that educational content and these tips and tricks, a lot of that goal of that is to get more eyes on your content. So for those types of content, I wouldn't really niche down at all. But then if you're getting into sales content where you are looking to speak directly about the products and services that you have and build curiosity around those products and services, then I would say that you want to niche down pretty specifically to who those products and services are going to help. I would just say that it depends on the style and the type of content and the intention behind that content. Favorite tools for shooting, editing, and uploading videos. Favorite tools for shooting: iPhone 14 Pro. That is the easiest way to shoot, is from your phone. You can use the back camera or you can use the front camera. The front camera on the iPhone is pretty excellent. The quality drop off that you're going to get from going from the back camera to the front camera isn't that bad. And having the front camera and being able to see where you're positioned, especially using the grid, then I would essentially say that if you're more comfortable being able to see yourself, position yourself, and do it that way, then I would suggest that you actually use the front camera, because again, I don't think the quality of drop off is that bad. If you want to go to the next level as far as filming and get something a little bit better, then I would go with a DSLR camera, good one that's inexpensive. The one that I have here, this is the Sony ZV-1F. It's pretty good quality. It's very inexpensive. I think it's $200 or $300. My favorite tool for editing is CapCut. It is the number one editor. It can turn anybody into a pro video editor. It's that simple to use. It has a million different options for the type of captions. It does auto captions. So you're able to hit an auto captions button and get a ton of different options for the caption style. It's very easy to do cuts. It's very easy to do transitions, and they have a whole bunch of different options for transitions. How do you get started with video? I'm going to give you two options. Number one is you just start. Every day for 30 days, you are going to hit record and you're going to talk into your phone for 30 seconds. It's that simple. Every day, for 30, I don't care what you talk about. You could talk about something that happened that day, a meeting that you had, a client that you worked with, something that went right, something that went wrong. Just get on your phone and talk into your phone every day for 30 days straight. And then at the end of that 30 days, you're going to watch video number one, and you're going to watch video number 30, okay? And when you watch video number one compared to video number 30, you are going to see how much better and how much you have improved from day one to day 30. Option number two, come work with me and my team, and we will make you look great on camera immediately, right away.